Hi everyone, this is Punita here yet again today afternoon. Hi, how are you? Okay, so I'm back here again today to share my little piece of little nugget that I have of wisdom to share. Today is a good hair day for me. I've had a wash and I love my hair the day I wash them. I made my own shampoo at home today. This is yet another challenge that I'm going through, I'm learning. So while I was washing my hair with this new homemade shampoo, I got this little information or a wisdom which I thought I'll share with my girls today when I meet them today afternoon. So the news is, or the information is that please continue to learn each day. Please continue to upskill yourself each day, no matter what that skill is, no matter what that you aspire to learn. If you are a technical guy, go and learn some music, art, piano. If you are a teacher, go and learn something about dancing, something else which really challenges you, which you've not done earlier. If you keep playing in your comfort zone, you really are not challenging yourself. Your boundaries are not growing. So always be in a set of people, always be among a set of people where you are the dumbest. Okay? Always be among a set of people where you are the dumbest, because you will get to learn a lot and grow a lot. What do we usually do in our comfort zones is we try to hang out with people where we can flaunt all the information that we have, where we come out to be the strongest in the room, the most intellectual in the room. It feeds our ego. It doesn't feed our knowledge. And what happens in that case is others will grow, others will learn from you and grow, but your individual self-growth takes stagnation. So always aspire to be a part of the group where you are growing, or you are the dumbest in that group. By the way, you would be wondering, why am I walking so much and talking? Well, walk the talk is what I'm doing today with you all. And that also has a reason, that I have a health goal. Health, taking care of your personal health, is one of my key values that I live by. Because if health is by your side, you can accumulate all the wealth that you want in the world. So, my daily target is 7,000 steps. So as I'm walking and talking, I am achieving those number of steps as well. So, yeah. So that is what I had to say. Continue to learn, invest on yourself, give yourself time every day to upskill, and that is the only thing which will keep you growing, which will keep you motivated also. For me, I have to learn 1% extra each day by the time I sleep. Every day 1% extra actually makes you 365 steps ahead of somebody who's only thinking of starting their journey. So people waste a lot of time just thinking. Be a quick action taker, a massive action taker, and that's exactly what is needed. Stop wasting time thinking, be a doer. That's all that I propose. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like the video, and do inform people who need to be here and talk it out. I personally believe that happiness is something which we all should chase, which we all should be aspiring in our life. To being happy is what I propose. And I speak to each of you Mirabais who will be watching this, listening this, that please strive to reclaim your happiness in life. You may have gone through heartbreaks. You may have gone through a divorce, a separation, or emotional abuse, or anything, but that does not bring you to the end of the tunnel. It is just a diversion. It is not the end of the road. Please understand, we take it as such a big taboo in our society that people, these women are made to think they've done a great sin by leaving their house or by thinking about themselves first. That's absolutely not the case. That really is not. Thinking about yourself, it's only when you are happy can you make the people happy around you. And that's what is what I'm proposing. To be happy, claim your happiness back. Even in the flight when you're traveling, what do these flight attendants tell you? Wear your mask first and then help anybody else. Only then can you help anybody else, right? Similar is the case. Only if you are happy can you make people happy around you. Simple as that. When your cup is full, it will overflow. But if you keep seeking love from everybody else around you, how do you even think that you can give love to anybody else, give happiness to anybody else when you yourself are seeking so much? And the biggest way to fill your cup is self-love, is to prioritize yourself, is to take care of your needs first. You have to identify them. Don't feel shy. Don't feel guilty of prioritizing yourself. And that is what the modern Mirabai inside you is supposed to do. Keep you on your toes to find ways of loving yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that I get to connect with you each day. God bless you guys, and anybody whom you think should be connecting, should be joining this inner circle Modern Mirabai. I have initiated a page, an exclusive page, which is a closed group for women to speak their hearts out, to find that emotional support. Do inform them. It is a must that we should connect and support each other instead of ending up doing something which we may repent or our families may repent at some time. So let's be the support for each other. I hope I've shared my little sense of wisdom. One, keep investing on yourself, upskilling, learning, growing every day. वो पानी होता है ना जो ठहर जाता है, नदी जो ठहर जाती है उस पर काई जम जाती है, आपको पता है, moss it acquires. But if it's continuously flowing, if it's continuously upgrading, there is no chance that you can ever acquire moss. There is no chance, there is no way where you can ever get stagnated in life. You always will be moving forward. Slow and steady wins the race. Thank you so much. I'll come back tomorrow again. Till then, stay safe. Keep yourself happy, and yes, bye-bye. I love my hair today, yay.